Loving couple.
Yeah.
You want to do it like that? Like already done?
Oh, sorry. Just have it. And we stumbled onto the Whalley Legion car show here in Surrey, so we're just going to have a little look around at some of these nice old cars.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
Old Cadillac.
It's a female, it's got boobies. It's a female, it's got boobies. It does, right?
Well, that's what they're supposed to be. They're called portraits. They were made to look like boobs. Pretty sure of it.
Chevy. King George Automotive. Oh yeah.
It's a Lincoln?
I think so.
Look how small the windows are. Sweet.
Look at this little panel right here. Sticks of cake.
What's that?
The interior on that. It's beautiful.
Wow. It looks like an old diner inside.
Yours? No.
Look how many cars there are. I thought that was real.
I think he is.
No, man, that's just a. It's just a stuffed kid.
It's upset.
This yours? 68 Dart?
But rebuilt to original.
Wow. How long did it take you?
A couple years.
Wow.
I've just been informed some cars still haven't registered. If you haven't registered your car, it's the last chance to register it. They're going to be opening up or staying open for another 5-10 minutes. Then they're shutting down the registration. So it's the last chance to register your car. So head on over to Head Unlimited and register your car for the judging. If you don't want your car judging, you'll need to register.
We just got here.
Yeah.
How's it going?
There he is.
Still babysitting this guy? I wish it was always set at 50-50.
This yours here?
Yes.
What are we looking at here?
1930 Model A Ford.
Model A Ford. I
Yeah,
think my father drove one of these.
probably did.
Yeah.
Most of us did.
Yeah, wow. So what's the story on this one?
Well, this one here, I've restored it about 10 years ago. This one was restored. Yeah.
Wow. Where did you find it?
Well, it actually had been restored in California many years ago. He brought it back up to BC,
Yeah.
and he lived down by the Fraser River at Annandale, and Annieville, I should say, and he put a wrong car cover on it,
Oh no.
being down close to the river, and so consequently, I had to completely restore it again.
Wow. How long
Yeah.
did it take you?
It took me about 9 months. I'm a mechanic by trade,
I see.
and
wow.
I'm very lucky that my brother is a body man and my cousin is a professional painter. So
What's your name?
Ken Baldwin.
Ken Baldwin.
Yeah.
Ken, this will probably be on our blog, Surrey604.com.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you live in Surrey?
Yes.
Whereabouts?
I live number 76 at Sullivan Mews.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just going to take a little look at your amazing vehicle
Yeah,
here.
go
Nice
ahead.
to meet
yeah.
you.
Yeah. Good to meet you.